Yeah, thank you for the flowers. Thank you for coming tonight. So I'd like to thank Kira and Eric initially. Like of anything I would want to say tonight, it's sort of like observe and learn. They're doing it, you know, like they're living the lifestyle. You know, we're the yogis on the planet at the moment. We're the current yogis. We're not the totality of the yogis. But the yogis on the planet, us, should do their best to like live, but like to live the teachings, you know, like to follow your heart, not cop out and chicken out and not live the teachings. I watch them. I've been watching the crib emerge and grow. It's little step by little step, by little thought, by little insight, by, okay, let's try this, okay, let's try this. You know, and it starts flowing and unfolding. And the current yogis on the planet, yeah, that's what we should be doing. And we are doing it. But like, you know, let's feed each other. And by being together, we are feeding each other. But like, let's be clear that, yeah, the cool thing, the brave thing to do is like manifest the teachings.